Cervical spondylitis is a common problem in the middle age, and in females it sets in a bit earlier because of low levels of calcium and vitamin D, and in those people who have a desk job where the neck keeps on hectic and whose lifestyle is a bit clumsy. So to get rid of this, in addition to good diet rich in proteins, calcium, and taking sun baths or basking in the sun or taking vitamin D, you have to take certain measures which will strengthen your neck muscles and that may not lead to pain. Cervical spondylitis may start with pain in the neck while bending, moving, or there may be radicular type of pain, just like a current passing from neck or down into the shoulders. It may involve one finger, two finger, three finger, four finger, or whole, depending upon how much nerves are involved. In addition to better diet, good diet rich in proteins, low in calories, high in fiber, enough of fluids, good intake of calcium, or supplementary vitamin D or sun basking, you should take certain exercises which will strengthen your neck. These are exercises which you can take without resistance, active or passive exercise. So one is against resistance and second is without resistance. First of all, hang your arms by the side. It may do it in a sitting position, standing position. So first of all, we flex our neck downwards. Try to touch your chin with the sternum bone and raise your head slowly, 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 and try to see ceiling just behind your head. Maintain each posture for 10 seconds. Then go down. Maintain it for 10 seconds. Slowly, slowly go up. Again, and once you reach the maximum, maintain it for 10 seconds. Do it at least 10 times. Then flex your head to the right side. Your external ear should touch your shoulder. Don't raise the shoulder. Try to touch it. Keep it there for 10 seconds and then slowly, slowly raise it. Then go on the opposite side. Slowly, slowly flex the neck. Try to touch the shoulder. Keep it for 10 seconds. And so this has to be done each side for 10 times. Then third exercise is rotate your neck so that your chin projects initially on the left, then slowly turn back, reach the midline, then turn to the right. Stay at each side for 10 seconds. Repeat it for 10 seconds. Then there is a rotatory movement of the neck, but you have to be very gentle. Start slowly. Slowly, slowly go to the opposite side. Make a circle with the movement of your neck. Slowly, slowly. Each circle should take at least 10 seconds. Do it 10 times. Then go it opposite side. Similarly, do it 10 times. This was a exercise without resistance. Then do the same exercise against resistance. Take your both thumbs, put it over behind the chin, then your thumbs should push your chin upwards and your chin should push your thumbs downwards. This will strengthen your flexor muscles of the neck. It should last at least for 10 seconds. So let us start. Do it 10 times. Then interlock your fingers, put it behind the head on the posterior aspect. Your interlocked fingers should push your head forwards and your head should push your fingers backwards. So start it and do it for 10 seconds and for 10 sets. Then third one is put your hand just above the ear, right hand on the right side, and you should bend your head towards right side and your hand should push it towards the left side so that the lateral flexor muscles are built. Do it for 10 seconds. Then opposite side same. Do it for 10 seconds. Then put your hand against the chin on the right side and turn your chin towards the right side against the resistance of the hand. Do it for 10 seconds. Do it 10 times. Then put your left hand on the chin and rotate your chin towards left side and your left hand should push it towards the right side. This has to be continued for roughly 15 to 20 minutes daily. This will strengthen your neck muscles. Okay, thank you. Let us meet next time.